So it takes three things to make electricity. You need a coil of wire, you need magnetism, and you need motion. We get our motion from the lake. We open a set of gates around the turbine that we call wicket gates. And we open those gates and it allows the water to flow through onto these turbine blades and spin the generator up to speed, which is where we get our motion. So we get our motion, turbine spinning up to speed. We got our magnets here, inducing the current onto the coils and pushing the coils out onto the line. Well, above us here is the bus work and these ducts that connects from the generator to the generator breaker, and it steps our 13,800 volts up to 230,000 volts. This holds oil, and we have these two tanks behind us with air. The air compresses the oil with the hydraulic pressure to allow the shifting ring to open the gates. This is the turbine shaft, and it connects the generator up top to the turbine down below. And if we have to tear down a unit for maintenance purposes or to rehaul something, we have a crane above us and we can lift these hatches, set each individual piece of equipment in place here to be worked on. And this is the place where the turbine will sit.